Hello and welcome to my channel Indian YouTuber Charu. First of all, a very happy Independence Day. I am a very proud Indian and today's dish is an ode to the Indian flag. Unity and diversity. That's what our country India represents. Despite all the cultural, linguistic and religious beliefs, we still come together as a nation. Just like this Tiranga Pulao, which is full of colors, flavors and taste. So let's go and check out this Tiranga Pulao recipe. So we first boil our rice. For that I've taken a pan and we will let it heat up. And also we've got 2 cups of basmati rice that I had soaked in water and kept aside. The pan is hot now and we start with oil. I am using olive oil. You can use deshi ghee or any other oil of your choice. Now we'll add in the cumin seeds or jeera. After that we put in 3 or 4 bay leaves and then 3 to 4 green cardamoms. If you want, you can use other whole spices as well, like black cardamoms, black peppercorns or the traditional Indian sabut garam masala. Now give it a good mix. It's on low flame. We don't want to burn the whole spices. Now we'll add in our 2 cups of rice that we have soaked beforehand. Basmati rice is a good source of carbohydrates and have some amount of protein, sources of minerals such as iron and B vitamins such as folate. Now just mix everything very gently. Next we'll add in the water. I'm adding 4 cups of water to 2 cups of rice. And now we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt. So now we'll cover the pan with the lid and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. Now we'll begin with our preparation for the saffron rice. So we take a pan, put in some oil and when the oil heats up, we add in a teaspoon of ginger paste. After that we add in half a spoon of turmeric powder and red chili powder. And then finally we add the puree of 2 fresh tomatoes. Mix it gently and after that we will add in 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix it up well and let it cook for a few minutes. Now we add in half a spoon of salt. Mix it up and let it cook. Once the oil separates from the tomato, it's ready. Now we start with our third layer, which is the green layer. For that we put in some oil and add a teaspoon of ginger paste. Next we'll add in the spinach. This is the blanched spinach that I pureed with 3 green chilies. Then we'll add half a teaspoon of salt. We've already added salt in the cooked white pulao, so that's why we're adding just a little bit of salt. Mix the salt with the spinach well and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamin K, folate, magnesium, iron, copper, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, calcium, potassium and vitamin C. So there are so many benefits of eating spinach, and incorporating it with your rice will make it delicious as well as healthy. So our masala for the green rice is ready. Now for the white part, we'll take a pan and heat it up. Then we'll add some oil and half a cup of grated paneer to it. Next, we'll add in half a spoon of chaat masala and half spoon of salt. Then we'll slightly saute it. We don't want the paneer to change its color because we'll be using it for the white part. So now all three colors are ready: saffron, white and green. By the time you'll be preparing these three colors, the rice will be ready. So once the white rice is cooked, remove all the whole masala from the rice and divide the rice into 3 equal parts. So now we've already divided our white rice into 3 equal parts. Now first we'll start with the green part. So we've added the white rice to the palak masala. Now we'll mix it really well, and believe me, the aroma is just so tempting. It looks really yummy and healthy as well. It's hard to believe that you can cook such food without any added flavors. So the green part is ready. Now we'll prepare the white part. For that, we'll add the paneer into the plain white rice. Paneer will give a flavor to the plain rice. And I can't tell you, while I'm mixing all this together, I can already feel the taste in my mouth. For the saffron part, we'll add in the white rice to the tomato paste that we prepared and give it a good mix. So our Tiranga Pulao is ready, and now is the time to serve it. Presentation is the key to any dish. Here we are! The Tiranga Pulao is ready. Burst of flavors and natural colors. Serve it to your family and friends this Independence Day and celebrate the day with a special recipe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay blessed and Jai Hind!